Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, October the 22nd, 2022. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. Friday, October the 21st, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The first puzzle I've already solved is the letter Sudoku. We have now the Two Stars Sudoku and the tectonic with 1 star. Tomorrow we have no newspaper. I will do the rest of the puzzles of the Monday edition. Yes, Monday edition. But first, let me continue with this Two Stars Sudoku number. This will be number 5368. 5368. Before I start, I always count up 3 digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Correct. One less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. A 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4. It goes there. 2, 3, sorry. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this first row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for letter 8. For the number 8, not the letter 8, okay. Then. Let me see. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row will be 3 in the middle row. Only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the column next, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 3 in this row. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 and the 2 are missing. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And we have a, let me see, 1, 2, 9, and the 9 and the 3, yeah. We have a pair, the 3 and a 9 in this column, the 3 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. The 1 in this row. The 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Alright. Okay. Then Let me think. How about 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then. Okay. 4. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. So 2 missing numbers now. In the third row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Look, we have a 7 in this first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column, middle column. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 7. That should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. The 3 in this third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9. Okay. We have a 1 in this column, the 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, some row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 1. Okay. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here, 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this row should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and the 6. Wait. 5, 5. We have a pair, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. We have a 5 and a 7 in this column. So no 5 and a 7 in those 3 boxes. And we have a 5 and a 7 in this row. So no 5 and a 7 in those two boxes. The 5 and a 7 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. So now 6, yeah. We have now 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. So here can it be a 6 anymore? That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 4, 4. 4, 4. And now. How about the 9? 2 and 6. And the 2 is also missing. Yeah. 298, 298, 2. Whew. Alright. 8 and a 9. 9. 9 should be here. 9 should be there. Yeah. Alright. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. And 8 in this row. No 8 there. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Now we have 2 missing numbers. In the middle column, the 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. No. I've eliminated this here. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers still. 9 is missing. 6, 8, and the 2 are missing, yes. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Thinking. 8, 6, and the 9. 6, 6. 9 and a 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 5, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, so the 2. We have a 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there, so the 2 goes in those two boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. The 9 is missing here. 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8, the 9 again. 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row B3. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. Third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big. No. 1 number left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers? Also 2 and the 8 in the second column. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1 number left in this middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. So here 8 and the 2 are missing. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Told you, between 15 and 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars puzzle. So it's definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again later on with the last puzzle for today. A tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.